Hi Cancer, this is your tarot reader Ursheen and welcome to my channel The Magical Aura. So today I am going to do a different spread for my water signs, that is Cancer, Pisces and Scorpio. I don't know why I was just feeling a little different for you all because in other signs I did a different spread. So today I am going to do a different spread for you. I will be taking out some cards for every week of June and we will see what energies are there in every week of June for you. Okay, so let's start. And this is a general reading, so it might or might not resonate with all of you, but if it resonates, please do leave a comment in the comment section below if you want. And if you're new to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification icon as well, so that you will be notified about my latest readings. So let's see what's June going to bring for my Cancerians. Okay, so in the first week of June, I see an energy which is actually, there is something which is coming towards you really fast. Some kind of communication, something, or some person coming towards you, some kind of opportunity, something is coming towards you really fast. But you, on the other side, I see that you are very much mature in to accept that thing. You have grown fully from within and you know what to do in your life. You are not there, you are not the one who will just take anything in a haste. You will not decide anything in a hurry, in a haste. Okay, that is really good energy which I am feeling. Let's clarify. Yes, because you have done a lot of inner work already. If now people from the past coming towards you from anywhere, they're coming towards you with an offer or anything, what is happening with so much of courage, with showing so much of bravery, but you are so much mature that you don't even give a damn. You don't see them like, okay, fine, if you want to meet me, then you have to wait. You have to wait to meet a Cancerian. I'm not available for you every time. I'm busy with my coins. So just wait. Okay, so let's see what is the Knight of Swords. Too many cards. The Hanged Man, yes, there is some kind of decision from the other party. I feel over here there's some person who was feeling something else for you before, now have seen a lot of reality around you, and that is why this person is coming towards you in a very hurry. But you are like, you're not ready to meet this person or to meet anyone. It can be a friend as well, any person, a colleague of yours, a friend of yours, a lover, past lover, anyone can come. There is no need. So you are like, no, I'm fine, just stay, just wait. You have to wait. Okay, in the next week, in the second week, the Moon and the Nine of Pentacles. You are in yourself, Cancer. Wow, you are just, you are working with your inner self. I see you are working, you are enjoying your beauty, you are loving yourself, you are being with the nature, and with uh, like you are with the pets, you are playing with the pets. I see you are, your growth is going on within yourself. There is a beautiful growth which is going within yourself, and that you know that the things which are hidden, it's better they are hidden. If they are not coming towards the surface, it's better, you are thinking that. And with that, there is some emotional energy as well. I can see that you are so much into you, you love yourself, that you don't give any, you don't give a damn that this person or this situation, whichever you are dealing with, it shouldn't harm your inner self, right? So that is why what is happening with you is that you are feeling a little emotional, but you are so strong that you are very happy with you. Yes. So let's clarify the moon as well. Page of Swords. So I see that, so the things which were hidden, I see that they will come to surface, and this person or the situation which you are dealing with, they are very, someone is stalking you and you don't even know that. Or basically it's like you are the talk of the town now, and now they are the people, they are watching you. It can be like that also, because you have come to the surface, you are the beauty, you are yourself, and now people are seeing you and they are stalking you. Okay, so this person is now so much fun loving. She is like, she don't give a shit to anyone. Wow. Okay, let's clarify the Nine of Pentacles. Page of Cups. Yeah, so you have started something new in your life, and that is very much something which you like to do, which you love to doing, and that is why you are like, you are happy being alone, you are happy being single, you don't want anything to come towards you, and you are just happy, I see, in the second week of June. Okay, so let's see the third week of June. It's like, it's Nine of Wands with the Six of Wands. Okay. For some people, I see that the energy is a kind of blocking kind of energy. You are, either you are blocking some people or you are being blocked by someone. It can be either ways. And for some people this is, and you are not letting, either you are blocking your feelings as well, it can also mean. But it is like, it's fine. I mean, because you are going towards the victory, so that is why you are blocking. See, this person is blocking, because that is why, if you are blocking someone, you are able to move on with your life, because you are being the talk of the town, you are getting victorious, and you are loving yourself. So this is something which is fine, I guess. Let's clarify the Nine of Wands. The Sun, yes. Okay, so I don't know, but it came into my mind, for some people, only for very few percentage, this is, if you are getting some kind of problems with regards with pregnancy, I see those people who are, those ladies who are pregnant, there is some kind of blockages coming towards you in regards with the pregnancy in the third week of June. So just be prepared, or just visit to a doctor as soon as possible. And for those, for some people, let's clarify the Six of Wands first. Yeah, so with regard with balance in the life, with it can be a court problem as well. There's something you are going to be, you're going to get some victory, and justice will be in your side, I see, in the third week of June for some people. who are dealing with some court issues. So the things in the third week of June will come up and you are going to be victorious. Okay, yeah. Let's go towards the fourth week of June. Two of Wands with the Four of Cups. Okay, so for some people it's like there is some kind of confusion going on. There are two things in front of you and you have to decide. Okay, but you are not ready yourself to accept that thing as well. Why are you so much confused, Cancer? Like, see this, there is a cup coming towards you, but you are not ready to accept it. But still you have options in front of you. What is that? Let's clarify. The Judgment. And the Strength card. Okay. Okay, so the message which is coming is that there is something which is happening. Okay, might be regards with some family problems. This is a family over here, and something which is going on in front of you. You know that, you are aware of that, but you are not accepting that offer. The message which is coming is that you have to listen to your gut feeling. There is something which is going on in your life and you know that, but you have to listen, because at the end what matters is your happiness, your inner fulfillment, your happiness, everything whatever you wanted in life. That is why if you are not able to decide something, just think that will it give you a lifetime of happiness if by choosing this or choosing that. Will it give you, what will give you a permanent happiness, a thing which is not just for temporary. Just think that. And if you're not, I see you not accepting that offer, I think that this is because you are feeling not good. You are you don't want to go towards that thing which will not give you inner peace, right? Your mental level, your mental calmness, that will not, that offer, you don't see that offer is giving you so much. So that is why you are not able to accept that thing, and that's fine, because you have a lot to go, you have a long way to go. Because I see you traveling somewhere in the fourth week of June. Some person, anyone, I see that the person, you are getting some offer from around the world. This person is holding a world globe in his hand, so that is why you are ready to go to something which is going to bring a lot more happiness in your life. So that is really good if you have understood your inner strength, if you know how to read your intuitions. So just listen to the gut feelings you are getting. Okay, so I'll just summarize the whole month again. So the first week of your June will be like you are very much busy and you will be working. I see you are mature enough to take any decision by yourself, and the person or anything which is coming towards you, you are not ready to accept that thing right now. You are more focused in your work, in yourself. Okay, so this growth can be within yourself as well. And the second week is more of a again the same thing. You are just building yourself day by day by day. So I just feel you, I'm just seeing you building yourself, and you are becoming more and more prosperous, more and more independent in life by the coming weeks. Okay, the third week is like you just want the justice, and when the justice is in your side, you will be the one who will become victorious. And the fourth week, you will be so much into your gut feelings, you will listen, you will start listening to your inner thoughts and your intuitions, that you can take any decision in your life now. So very beautiful message for my Cancerians for June 2020. And so I just hope you like the reading, and we'll meet you in the next video, Cancerians. Till then, bye bye.